Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about the magnetic field of a solenoid. So after this video you should be able to draw the magnetic field of a solenoid and explain the pattern of magnetic field. This is a magnetic field due to a circular coil which we have done in our previous video, and a circular coil act as a small bar magnet because the magnetic field lines enter the loop from one side making it a south pole and comes out from another side making it a north pole. So in this picture you can see the current is flowing in the loop and magnetic field lines are entering from one face and coming out from another face. So this is a picture from another angle. So this is the final picture in which I have considered the magnetic field in each point of the circular coil, and you can see magnetic field lines are entering the loop from one face. So this face will act as south pole and magnetic field lines are coming out from this face and this face act as a north pole. So this is a picture of solenoid. So we can consider a solenoid to be collection of many circular coils. Now we know if you have many circular coil and if you bring them together, the magnetic field lines will get added up and will get the strong magnetic field. So we will use the similar concept to draw the magnetic field line of a solenoid. A solenoid is an three-dimensional object, so it will be difficult to draw a three-dimensional object on the paper. So to make the diagram easy, I'll tell you one step, so please follow this step properly. So first I'll draw a rectangle with different color, then I'll connect it to a circuit and I'll connect it to a cell, and to draw a solenoid I'll draw a S like structure like this, starting from here and ending out here. This will be the first turn of the solenoid, and second turn, and we keep on adding, so it is a solenoid now. So I'll switch on the circuit, the current will flow in this direction, so it is going behind this rectangle and coming forward. So again it is going behind, coming forward, so it's a solenoid. We know for a circular coil the magnetic field lines enter from one side and comes out from another side, so it will happen for each of the turns. So all the magnetic field get added and will get somewhat like this. So you can see magnetic field lines are entering from this side and coming out from this side for all the loops. So this we got due to the addition of magnetic field due to each coil. Now as the magnetic field is entering from this side, so we can consider it to be south, and out here the magnetic field lines are coming out, so we can consider it to be a north pole. And if you see the magnetic field lines properly, it is similar to that of a bar magnet. Now I'll show you a video of an activity to trace magnetic field lines of a solenoid. Now we will talk about the properties of magnetic field lines of a solenoid. So this is a picture. Magnetic field lines are entering from this side and coming out from this side of a solenoid. In a solenoid, magnetic field enters from one side and comes out from another end. One end of the solenoid acts as a south pole, another acts as a north pole, and magnetic field lines of a solenoid is similar to that of a bar magnet. And magnetic field lines inside the solenoid are parallel lines. So out here you can see parallel lines, which is indicating uniform magnetic field. That means the value of magnetic field is same everywhere inside the solenoid. So the strength of magnetic field depends on the number of turns, strength of the current passing through the solenoid, and the nature of core material in a solenoid. So the magnetic field also depends on what kind of material we are keeping inside the solenoid. So these are the methods to increase the strength of magnetic field of a solenoid. So first we can do is increase the amount of current, second we can increase the number of turns, and third we can keep a soft iron core inside the solenoid. So soft iron core will increase the strength of magnetic field, because the soft iron produces the magnetic field of its own. So out here you can see there are only few magnetic field lines are going. So when we keep iron core, then magnetic field lines increases. Now we'll talk about electromagnet. Electromagnet is the real life application of a solenoid. So if you keep an iron core inside a solenoid, then we'll get an electromagnet. So electromagnet needs current to work. Without current it does not work, and it works on the principle of, and the electromagnet works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. When the current flows through a conductor, it produces magnetic field, and this magnetic field is increased by this iron core and will get a strong magnetic field. So to increase the strength of the electromagnet, we can increase the current, or we can increase the number of turns of the solenoid. Difference between a permanent magnet and an electromagnet. So first is, for electromagnet the magnetic field depends on the current, but for permanent magnet we don't need current. And second difference is, we can increase or decrease the strength of magnetic field of an electromagnet by changing the number of turns or by changing the current, but out here in permanent magnet we cannot change the magnetic field. For electromagnet we can switch on or switch off the magnetic field, but for permanent magnet we cannot switch on or switch off the magnetic field. In an electromagnet we can change the direction of north pole and south pole by changing the direction of current, but for permanent magnet we cannot interchange the position of north pole and south pole. So the uses of electromagnet can be used in loudspeaker, electric motors, generators, electric bell, computer hard disk. And this is the one more application. I want you to identify this and write about this application on the comment section. So let's summarize the video. So a solenoid is many turns of a conductor in a form of cylinder, and this is the magnetic field produced by a solenoid, which is similar to that of a bar magnet. And the strength of magnetic field depends on number of turns in a solenoid, strength of the current, and the nature of the material we keep inside the solenoid. One of the application of a solenoid is electromagnet. Application of electromagnets are motor, generator, loudspeaker. And I think this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video. Thank you.